Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 7. How to promote products on Warrior Plus. In this video, we will see how to promote products on Warrior Plus, step by step. So let's get started. So on the Warrior Plus homepage, we will click on this login button and then enter your username or email address and password and click on the login button. Then enter the verification code which they have sent to your registered email ID, paste it here and click on Verify Code button. After logging in, first, you see their top products list of today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. Let's go to the Today tab and open the first products link from the top. So this is the product sales page. Read it to gain information about the product. You can repeat the same process with other products as well. Now here, go to this top marketplace tab and select top products. So you'll get the same list. Then select View All Products from right, and here you can see all of its products. Choose the one from here you like to promote. Open the link of it and again the sales page of the product is opened. Back on Warrior Plus, go to that affiliate tab and select offers from here. The first offer on this page is Deal of the Day. Below we have a list of all the offers to promote. You can request an affiliate link for any product you like from this request button. You can view the vendor's detail from here as well as the number of sales. Click on this request button for the affiliate link. Here click on this request approval button. Now enter your request message to the vendor for approval. Well, it's optional, and after that click on this request offer button. Keep this subscribe option checked. So now your request has been successfully sent. Right now it is showing that your request is pending. You can also cancel it from this cancel request button. Back here, repeat the process to request an affiliate link for any product you want. After approval, you will get that Get Link button like this. Click on it and here is your affiliate link that you need to promote. Copy it from here and start promoting. To search, go to the top and enter the name of the offer you want to promote like PLR and click on this search button. So below you will get all the offers with the name PLR in them. You can also request affiliate links of them from here as well. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 8. How to promote products on JVZoo. In that video, we will see how to promote products on JVZoo, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.